Hi everyone, and today on Simply Maha we're going to be making this creamy avocado tuna pasta salad, making this gorgeous creamy avocado dressing. Now if you don't like tuna, you really should be watching this for the dressing because you can make that and use it on anything that you want, any salad that you want. There's no mayo here, so this is perfectly healthy. Let's get started. We're going to get started with our dressing. I'm going to add a bunch of parsley, a jalapeno. You're going to add 1 scallion, 2 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, and your avocados. I'm using 2 small avocados. You can use 1 big one, and this is going to make your salad so creamy. You don't even need the mayo because you're going to get a lot of fat from these avocados, healthy fat. And now we are just going to add a juice and a zest of 1 large lemon, along with some salt. Now you really want to add a good amount of salt because avocados need it. And then you just mix that up until you get a perfectly smooth dressing that looks just like that. Such a beautiful and vibrant color. Now I'm just going to set that aside while I show you what veggies we're going to use. Need some cherry tomatoes, red cabbage, tuna, and some bow tie pasta. Now you really want to use the tuna that is packed in oil, good quality tuna. It really makes a difference here. So just pour your dressing over, and you can really use any veggies you have on hand. You can add some beans to this, and you can also alternatively add pesto if you didn't want to make this dressing, but why wouldn't you? So just get that mixed over here. And if you want a separate video of just this dressing, please let me know down in the comments. And remember that the full list of ingredients will be in the description below. And now it's just a matter of mixing. Get that all mixed up, put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes just so all these flavors can marry. And you have yourself a healthy tuna pasta salad. I don't like tuna unless I make it, just because I'm very picky with how it tastes and how it smells, but this is just perfect. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe on your way out of here, and I will see you next time on Simply Maha. Bye bye.